how to add dotted text in Google Docs. So if you want to add dotted text in Google Docs, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. Once you're on your browser, you need to go with this dot option, which will be in the top right. You will have Google Apps. Click on that and then scroll down a bit and go with Document. Or you can also search for docs.google.com/document and you will get to the same interface. Now go with a blank document or an existing document. Once you're in your document, now if you want to add dotted text, then you need to go with Insert, which will be in the top left, and then go with Drawing. Then click on New, and you'll have this kind of interface. Now you need to go with Actions, which will be on the left side, and then go with Word Art. Here, you need to go with any text that you're comfortable with. Like, for example, I'll just simply go with hello and hit the enter. Now you can go with the text color if you want to. If you want to change the borders, you can go with your borders as well. After that, select your text, then go with the top right. You will have border dash. Click on that and then go and select the dotted one, which is the second one. After that, go with border weight and go and select any px that you want. Like, for example, I'll go with 8px. I think this is like too much, so I'll go with 3px, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to add dotted text in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.